Alright, in this video we're going to introduce a new idea called elif. So first thing that we're going to do is set up one of our regular if statements. So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have our regular thing. So we have our response equals input smoking or non-smoking section. If response equal, remember equal as a comparison inside if equals smoking, remember the colon, and then indent, okay, print, sorry, I was just kidding, smoking has been banned in Vancouver in restaurants since 1996. Okay, great. Next, I'm going to put something called elif, okay? And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to check another condition before I go to my else. And I want to check basically non-smoking. And we can print something in this case, all of our restaurant is non-smoking. Okay, so basically I have two scenarios that I want to check, smoking or non-smoking, and in each case I want to type a different message. So if there's more than one thing that I want to check, I first write the if and then I do the elif. After elif, everything is exactly the same, right? Variable equal, the thing that you want to compare it, colon, same here, variable equal, thing that you want to compare, colon, and this one is indented, so it's exactly the same. And then after this is done, then I can do my else. Okay. So let's run this and see what happens. Smoking or non-smoking. So if I say smoking, it will give us that first message, this message. Now if I go non-smoking, it will give us all of our restaurant is non-smoking, which is our second message. And if I type anything else, smoking or say outdoors, it will give us the third message. Sorry, our only option is smoking or none. Right there. And that you know, I could type anything. I could just type some random characters, and it'll sorry. Only choices are smoking or non. Same exact message. Yeah. So basically, I can do as many elifs as I want. So I can do another elif here if I want to check something else. What else can I check here? I can check for I don't know, bar, and sure, we have a seat at the bar. Okay, so on that, when I say bar, sure, we have a seat at the bar. So it is checking each one of these things one by one, and if none of them end up being true, that's when it does this one. Okay. And then say I want to finish off with a final message after every response. Say it's I want to say enjoy your meal. Okay. So what could I do? I could do this, print enjoy your meal, and that will be fine. So I say smoking, And there it is, enjoy your meal. But if I do anything else, it doesn't say enjoy your meal, right? If I do just random stuff, still doesn't say enjoy your meal. It only says it here because it's inside this if. So I could put it inside everything. That would be an option, right? So this time, enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. And that could work. But a better way is to actually put it at the very end. So let's get rid of all these and let's put it down here. Okay, so what's happening here? So I've put it here at the very end. At the very end. Actually, no. Let's do this. Let's put it at the very end, but indented. Okay. So now, if I put some random stuff, hey, there it is. Enjoy your meal. But if I put, say, smoking, it doesn't appear. No, enjoy your meal. That's because this line is inside this else. Okay. So in this case, when I put smoking, right, this line was true. So we're going inside this if, and it's printing that line, which it did. And then the whole thing is over. So it goes right on to the end. It never goes inside this else. So what I want to do is I want to pull this back and unindent it. Now this is unindented. And let's see what happens. Smoking. Enjoy your meal. Non-smoking. Enjoy your meal. Bar. Enjoy your meal. Just some random stuff. Enjoy your meal. Okay? Because what's happening here is no matter what happens, say in the case of smoking, this was true. It goes to the end. This whole thing is basically one block. Okay? All these if, elif, else, that is one block. As soon as this last thing is not indented anymore, and you come here, it's over. Right? The if block is over. And so this happens basically every time. This is also why if you mess it up, let's just mess it up on purpose for a minute. And let's put something, say here. Okay? And we'll run this. And you can see that it gives us an error. Why? Because by putting this line here unindented, so the same level of indentation as this, and this, we are saying our if block is actually over. If our if block is over, why do we have an else here? Right? It's saying we have else, but no if, because this if is over. That means this else is not attached to anything. Okay? That's why if we have something at the same level of indentation here as any of these other things, that screws it up, basically. Okay, so I think that's long enough for today. Hope that that was helpful, and good luck with your Groundwork 2B elif statement, offering customers a choice of vegetables. All right, that's all. See you in the next one.